So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've never subscribed, please guys click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. And if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you see the link to our Telegram. Make sure you follow us on our Telegram. They will be putting out some information there. And if you're also interested in trading CAD JPY or any other JPY PS, or you're interested in high probability trade, then we will be putting it out there on our Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So we are rolling out a 7 days free trial. So you can actually trade with us for good 7 days free. That link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So you can subscribe. Now with this CADJPY right now, let's zoom it out. The full trend, right? We can see that the full trend is literally on a bullish move. You can see this movement literally, you can pinpoint this movement. I think it was around April, March, right? You can see it here. This movement we can see here is currently around the period of March. We've actually been seeing a bullish move on CAD JPY. Basically, CAD PS itself has actually been giving us a bullish move due to the fact that CAD has been dropping. So with this movement, I will not be surprised if this CAD comes to this resistance. Once it comes, guess what will happen? Another drop. So CAD should give us a bullish move first, then a drop, or possibly once the market opens, we will get a drop. By the way, our movement or our watchword is a drop. We would be aiming for, looking for a setup. We should actually look for a setup for a drop. Two ways this drop will play out. Either we start getting a drop once the market opens, or we're very much likely to see that bullish move to this resistance level, which I think will happen. Then another drop will play out. Once that drop plays out, the next movement we'll be expecting on CAD JPY again is another impulse move. And guess what? This impulse move will definitely break this resistance level. Definitely it would break this resistance level. First, we're very much likely to see a bullish move, then a drop, and guess what? The next movement should break out of this resistance level. Basically, we are going to cover more of this JPY pairs on the Patreon channel. So you can, be involved by, trading with us 7 days free. You can try the 7 days free trial, and we will cover more on JPY pairs, by the way. So we will be taking trade. So this JPY, by the time this CADJPY, by the time this week will end, we should see it trading above this resistance level. Because on Friday also we'll be expecting some BOJ news and some probably the rates still remain the same and every other thing. So basically JPY is going to definitely fall very hard. It will fall very, very, very hard. So that will give way for CADJPY to give us a bullish move. Once again, we are going to cover more of these JPY pairs on the Patreon channel. So you can join the 7 days free trial, which will be in the comment section.